pleasant and blessed day to all of you, my dear viewers. Welcome to Ma'am Jack's Math Tutorials. Today, we're going to talk about finding the common factors and the greatest common factor of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division. But before that, let me tell you first the meaning of the word factors. So when we say factors, these are the numbers that we multiply. So for example, we have 3 times 5. Okay, 3 times 5 will give us 15. 3 and 5 here are what we call the factors. Okay, so 3 and 5 are factors of 15. Now let's find the common factors and the greatest common factor of numbers 18 and 27. But before that, let us list down the first 5 prime numbers. When we say prime numbers, those numbers that have only 2 factors, the number itself and number 1. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. These prime numbers here will be used as our divisors in order for us to find the common factors and the greatest common factors of the following numbers. So let's write 18 and 27 horizontally. And then let's try to divide them by 2. Can we divide both 18 and 27 by 2? Without remainder, of course. No. So let's go to number 3. So is 18 and 27 divisible by 3? Yes. So let's write 3 here. And then let's divide. 18 divided by 3 is what? 6. Okay. How about 27? 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay. Look at the 2 quotients here. Can we divide them both by number 2? So we're going back to number 2. No. So let's go to number 3. Can we divide 6 and 9 by 3? Yes. So write 3 again. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So write the quotient below. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, look at the 2 quotients. Is there a common divisor among these 5 prime numbers? No more, so we have to stop there. And then, let's get the prime divisors. Let's multiply them. So, we have 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, the common factors of 18 and 27 are 3 and 9. Now, where did we get this 3 and 9? 3 came from here. Since there are 2 3's or 2 number 3's, let's just get 1. And number 9 came from the product when you multiply the 2 divisors. Okay? So, common factors are 3 and 9. And the greatest common factor, when we say greatest, it is the highest number. So, obviously, it's number 9. So, the greatest common factor of 18 and 27 is number 9. Now, let's check if our answers are correct by listing down all the factors of 18 and 27. So, let's have 18 first. So, we have 1 multiplied by 18, of course, by itself. How about number 2? Can we multiply a number by 2 to give us 18? Yes, we have 9. How about number 3? Can we have a number? Yes, it's 6. How about number 4? Do we have a number? I think there is no number to be multiplied by 4. Okay. About 5? 6, we already have this one. Okay, now let's go to 27. Okay, 1 and 27, of course. How about 2? Do we have a number that can be multiplied by 2 to give us 27? I think there is none. So let's skip number 2. How about number 3? Do we have? Yes, it's 9. 4. Do we have a number? I think there's none also. 5. 6. No more. Okay, so we have to stop. And then, let's encircle all the common factors, or the numbers that they have in common. We are not going to include 1 because all numbers have 1 as a factor. Okay? So, let's encircle numbers 3. We have 3 here. We also have 3 here. And number 9. So, the factors or common factors are 3 and 9. And the greatest common factor is number 9. So, therefore, our answer here is correct. Okay? Now, let's go to our next example. We have 12, 16, and 20. So, let's get the common factors and the greatest common factor of the 3 numbers. So, list them down horizontally. And then, again, what are our prime numbers? We have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Are 12, 16, and 20 divisible by 2? Yes. So, let's get 2 as our divisor. And then divide. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, let's identify if these 3 numbers divisible again by 2. Yes, it is. So, let's divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Alright. Now, 3, 4, and 5. Is there a common divisor among these prime numbers? None. Okay, so let's stop there. Let's get our divisors and multiply them. So we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So our common factors of 12, 16, and 20 are 2. Okay, 2 and 4. There's the product. Now, what's the greatest common factor of 12, 16, and 20? Yes, of course, the largest number or the highest number, which is 4. Or again, your product here when you multiply the divisors. Okay? So, GCF is 4. Now, let's check again by listing down all the factors of the 3 numbers. So, let's have 12 first. 1 times 12. Okay, 2 times 6. 3 times 4. 4 times 3. Okay, what else? 5. About 6 we already have. So, stop. Then, we have 16. We have 1 and 16. 2 times 8. About 3. Okay, there is none. 4. Yes, we have 4 times 4. It will give us 16. About 5. 6. 7. Okay, let's stop there. There are no more factors for 16. Let's go to 20. So, factor 20, we have 1 times 20. 2 times 10. What else? 3 times what? Okay, there is no partner for 3. How about 4? 4 times 5 and 5 times 4. 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's stop. And then encircle the common factors. So let's look at the common factors again. Let's not include 1. We have 2. We have 2, yes. 3, do we have 3 here? None. 4. Yes, we have 4. We have 4 here and 4 here. So the common factors are, we have 2 and 4. Common factors, we have 2 and 4. And the greatest or the largest common factor is 4. So therefore, our answer here also is correct. Okay? I hope you learned something from today's lesson. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with the latest video lessons.